Welcome to this special video. My name is Nupur and I have today with me Snehal and Rohan. So big hi from all of us.
Hi.
And,
Hi everyone.
and we are here for something special today. This is a special video out of the blue. And we're going to talk to you all about the Blue Circle store and the Blue Circle calendar and the magnets and the stickers and all the exciting things and the stories that went behind these awesome things that are here in front of you. I'm sure all of you have seen our social media and you guys have seen our Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all the platforms, and maybe you're wondering what it is. Maybe you already know, maybe you already bought, but we still want to tell you the story because we are very chatty like that. So
Want to
And
get
thanks to
behind the
everyone who have bought the calendars, and we have a very limited stock left. So people who are still planning to buy, please go ahead and buy it as soon as possible.
yes, yes. Thanks for saying that, Rohan, because we literally have the last like maybe half a dozen calendars left. There aren't too many. So please go ahead and order. And we are so excited to show you um, the calendar. This in my hand right now is the wall calendar.
Yay!
Yay. So you can see the beautiful 2021, the year that we all have been looking forward to so much, especially after everything that happened in 2020. So this is what we kind of live by. It says educate, engage, and empower. And I think these are self-explanatory. You know what these mean. You can also see our social handles here. So you can see Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. You can see our website and our email ID.
And please go ahead and follow us everywhere.
Yes, please do. We promise that we are a lot of fun. And look at our awesome logo.
Logo.
Yeah. All right. So, going on to the first month of the year that we are in right now. This is January, and we have the gorgeous Aishwarya Sakuja on the calendar. So, by the way, the calendar, you know, Snehal, I have to say this backstory. Snehal helped me sort of remember a few points before we came on the video. And I'm grateful to her for that because, I would have just gone in some other direction otherwise. So the reason for making a calendar, if you guys are wondering, is because calendars, when you think of a calendar, you usually think of something really glamorous and like there are supermodels and they're all
Celebrities.
celebrities and people like us, regular people. Obviously, we're not part of any calendar. So we thought, why not make a calendar and why not, address this whole stigma around diabetes, or just make it a fun occasion for people living with all kinds of diabetes in India. So we
And
started.
Nupur, and we also thought of making it educational as well. And in each of the calendar, you'll find particular information about a particular device, and also it gives a good reminder whenever you look at it every day or every month. You get a sense of reminder that about the community and all the people that who are also with us.
And I think that's very important when you're living with a chronic condition like diabetes. You need constant reminders that it's okay to be a person living with diabetes. It's okay to eat healthy. It's okay to work out. And I'm like sure, like I have been type 1 diabetic since last 19 years, and I cannot deny the importance of being reminded each and every day that today I have to make healthier choices. Today I have to work out, and I think this calendar like comes at the right time, like a complete year. I have it on my desk, on my wall, to remind me that I am not alone in this. I have this whole support of the community of the Blue Circle family, that I like to call it.
And
Yeah.
guys, don't for we also have an HbA1c reminders
Yes,
every
yes.
few months so that you don't forget it. Very important.
Yes, and it's right there. Like it's a gorgeous calendar, and every 3 months, without fail, gentle reminder, like they call it, uh, always there on your wall or your desk. So this is Aishwarya, and she has very kindly agreed to be a part of our calendar. Aishwarya Sakuja is a model and actor, and she's been part of a lot of TV serials. And a few movies as well. And she's a
And she
lovely.
cooks wonderful healthy food as well, which
Yes,
is
yes, you must.
quite
In fact,
yummy.
check out her Instagram page where she cooks lovely, really healthy food. So, she is part of this calendar. This calendar features people living with diabetes, and Aishwarya lives with type 1 diabetes since the last 2 years as well. So we're very grateful to, have her on the calendar. So like Rohan was mentioning, we have you'll see facts on the calendar. So here it says, it talks a little bit about what CGMs are. So this year the theme we've decided to go with is that, yeah, Rohan is showing us his CGM in the video there. So there are two photos, as you can see. We had a virtual photo shoot, which is, it's not easy at all. I mean, whatever anyone tells you, it's not easy, because the amount of logistics and planning and everything
Back and forth and coordinating was crazy.
crazy. And the person who very kindly agreed to photograph us, he's a senior photographer. His name is M. Fahim. So he does a lot of fashion photography, among a lot of other things. And these lovely pictures are courtesy him. So you can see two pictures of Aishwarya here, and you'll see two pictures of everyone going forward. So one picture is a portrait, and the second picture is where they're showing off their medical device. And as we go forward, here in this picture, you'll see Aishwarya is showing off her CGM, her sensor, and maybe in the next picture there'll be someone else who is showing off another medical device. So that's really.
Let's see who's next.
Yeah, let's see who's next. So we're done with January, and now comes the shortest month of the year, with a power-packed little girl. Her name is Kashvi, and if you follow us on Instagram and if you follow us on social media, you definitely have seen Kashvi's videos and photos there. So she's a really adorable girl. She's 9 years old, and she's also been living with type 1 diabetes.
And Kashvi dances very well.
Very well, yeah.
On Instagram, you can see that her dancing videos, and she's a wonderful dancer.
Wonderful dancer, and she's got a really supportive family. I mean, I must,
Appreciate her mom's efforts, like really.
Correct. Really, it makes a big difference to have a supportive family. And I think, these are things that we want to tell people, that you can have a normal life. You can have a lot of friends. You can have, the best that is possible. There is nothing. You need not compromise because you have diabetes. If you take care of your health, everything else is sorted.
And you can do whatever you wish to. Like, there's nothing stopping you back just because you're living with diabetes. And
Correct.
like, as we go on, I mean, like, I'm sure we'll be talking a particular thing about the person who is featured on the calendar. We also have like a one-liner about that person.
Yeah.
Mentioned over here, like whoever is that. So we have one or two lines about the person who is featured. So we have we have information about Kashvi mentioned over here, and and she's showing off her Lancet, which is the gentle device.
Yeah. So each one has something different to share, and each one has a different medical device to show as well. So this is our friend Nikunj. He's on the month of March. He's on this page here, and I hope this is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. So Nikunj, what he's holding in his hand is an insulin pump. And for us, for people living with diabetes, well, some of us know what an insulin pump is. Some of us don't know. I didn't know a few years ago what a pump is, what it looks like, until I saw one of my friends that was wearing a pump. So there's a little information about the pump here. And then again, just like clockwork, there's a reminder for your HbA1c. It's the third month of the year. And boom, the reminders here. And you can see everyone wearing their best smiles, and these are all people that are achievers in their own right. I mean, each one of them is truly amazing, and a big inspiration to everyone in the community.
Yes.
And thanks to everyone for joining us in this shoot as well.
Yes.
And a little behind the story of why we decided to have two pictures, like one is the portrait and the other is the device, because a lot of people out there who have no information about diabetes, they just feel that it's just like not to eat sugar, right? And you're sorted. But diabetes is just not about that. There's a lot of things that go behind the scenes. carb counting, eating healthy, exercising every day, taking injections, blood testing, a lot of things. And we wanted to normalize this thing about diabetes, that we have so many of devices, and do not be afraid to like even be public about it, talk about it openly, because we do come across a lot of people who are little shy, little afraid of what other people might think.
Yeah.
If you're taking, if you're even if you're doing your blood test in the public, a lot of people I see like rush to the washroom, or like are like afraid or like shy to be open and public about it. So we just wanted to normalize this entire thing, that this is what diabetes is. Like, we have a lot of devices, we use a lot of things, and it is okay to talk about it and have more conversations about it.
Yeah, absolutely. And all proceeds that are raised from this calendar and everything else that you see on the store go to the NGO, to our NGO called Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation. So the next person is a really fun and really, really bubbly, vibrant lady. You can see RJ Megha. So I think you guys have understood what Megha does. Just a fun fact. At one point when I was in school, I wanted to be an RJ. I mean, I was so impressed by the whole idea of being an RJ. I was like, wow, like this is something I really want to do. I don't know what happened when I grew up. I think I forgot. But so here's Megha, and she's a really good conversationalist naturally, and she's an MC. She's a host. She's been an RJ.
And she keeps in touch with all the
Yeah.
latest technology as well. And in this calendar, you can see her
Yeah.
with the Riley link.
And a lot of people living with diabetes in India don't know what a Riley link is. Like, Megha is showing it in her hand. So a Riley link is basically a hardware that is used when you build your own artificial pancreas and you use something called loop. So maybe you've heard of this, maybe you've not, but whatever it is, we wanted to show the whole spectrum of, everything from yeah.
All the devices from
Correct.
pen to Riley link.
And Megha, I know she's hosted like thousands of shows over the years. I keep seeing her, pages on Insta and Facebook. She's a few days ago she was in the news. So she's also a really busy girl, and she's here on our calendar as well. Then you can also see the information about the device that she's holding, and a little bit about Megha here. And I love how these little waves are kind of
Yes.
like a little.
I have to give it to like I think the layout is like very simple, elegant, and chic.
Yeah.
Very minimalistic, but it's very eye catching also at the same time.
Yeah. And I mean, I just want to, like, I know this is in the middle of showing the calendar, but I really want to take a minute to say a really, really huge thank you to Rohan and Snehal, because I mean, from day one, like when we were talking the first time and we were wondering, should we do this or not? Is it possible? There's COVID.
Lockdown.
Actually, because of the lockdown, I think we all thought this time it would be really tough to get all the pictures. How will the quality of the pictures will be? How will we do the shoot? How will the different backgrounds be?
Yeah.
How will we be able to manage everything? So,
It all worked
but
out,
in
and
the end, it all
really,
worked
really
out.
big shout out to them, because they've been really. I mean, we've all been, going crazy, absolutely crazy, running around like headless chickens in our own houses. We've not met even once. We've only coordinated on calls and video and audio calls, and it really, really huge effort. So, like, a big thank you from everyone. Who's watching, who's on the calendar. You guys have been really amazing.
Definitely. Like, it was like, if you have to talk about behind the scenes,
Yeah.
I think that was the coordination that went all like in planning, to decide the photographer, to decide who is going to be when, and like which clothes you're wearing, which at. It was so much fun. Like, I know, like Nupur said, it was crazy, amazing, if I have to put it that way, but a great learning experience.
Snehal, and out of all three of us, Snehal is always looking forward to calendar shoots. She enjoys it the most.
I do.
That's so true. I mean, before the shoot, like Rohan and me were asking Snehal, like, listen, what should we wear? We weren't decided till the last minute. both of us, but I think it all went off well, and you can see the whole final product in front of you. So this is Megha Gupta. She's in the month of May, and she is also a model and actor. And beautiful Megha on the screen here. You can see her. She's wearing a Libre sensor on her arm, and you can see the fact that comes up. You can see a little one-liner about Megha as well.
And Megha, if you follow her Instagram as well, she follows a low carb diet and she's very strict with the fitness regime as well.
Correct,
And
absolutely.
motivation
I
to
mean,
all of us.
there's something to learn from each one, and it's really amazing. And a big shout out to especially the public figures, because coming out there and talking about diabetes, it takes courage, and obviously these ladies, they come with
Yes.
courage. So really
Thanks to all of them.
All right, so we're almost halfway through 2021 in the calendar. Next,
It's me.
Our in-house designer,
Yes,
our Daya buddy Rohan.
and the super.
This was a pretty fun shoot, I remember, and I had a plant and a lamp. I thought it will just give a nice effect in the background, a lighting effect. And the photographer Fahim, I'd like to talk a little bit that he was very fun and jovial, and he makes you feel very comfortable. So the shoot was quite fun actually. And here I'm showing my glucometer and with the lancing device. And we have all the technology, but end of the day, the most trustworthy one is our glucometer, right? CGM ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा आपका कुछ इधर उधर हो जाएगा. You come back to your trusted glucometer, and essential everyone to have a glucometer and make sure that you monitor it plenty of time, even if you are using CGM. Make sure you
I think
use
thanks
it
for that
a lot.
reminder, Rohan, because sometimes people get distracted with all the noise that is around, and what technology should I use? But coming old school, and you cannot forget your glucometer, whatever CGM you're using, whether you're using it or not. So thanks for that reminder. And I also, I like how Rohan's photo is a little bit different from the others, in the sense that it's very stark, and then there's like boom, you can see Rohan suddenly like jumping out on the page. So I like that about the month of June. And again, we have come to remind you about the HbA1c, because
It's a quarterly reminder,
Yes.
once or 3 months.
So now I'm gonna let Snehal take over for the second half of the year.
Okay, so for July, we have the very amazing, very supportive Priyanka Rajiv. So she's a fashion designer by profession, and she has her own fashion label. She is a mom to 2 kids, and if you follow her on Instagram, you can see all her designs, and they're like really good. And she has been there in like Paris Fashion Week, and celebrities like even Angelina Jolie has worn her outfit. So like one true inspiration right over here is Priyanka Rajiv, and she has been very supportive of the calendar and the idea, and she helped her coordinate with the photographer. Gave us good suggestions on how we can improve it. So thank you to her.
Yeah, big thank you. She's been there from the start.
And
when this was only an idea, even last year, that's when very supportive. Yeah.
he's been
And
very
then she's
supportive.
showing off her
And
pump bike.
the-
Yeah. And I know Snehal already said this, but I'm just going to say this again. Like, her clothes are absolutely beautiful. You must like check them out. Very, very chic and really pretty
The
clothes.
thing is, in this calendar, beneath the calendar, we also
Yeah.
talk about the symptoms of diabetes. So apart from devices, we are also trying to give information, what are the common symptoms of diabetes and other
Now
information.
moving on to August, I think we have our very own super bubbly, super chirpy Nupur. Yay!
Poor Clara.
I think her pictures came out the most prettiest. Like her smile and
Yes.
everything. Like just look at it. Like really pretty.
And I always like how Nupur's frame is always lighted
Yeah.
perfectly. Like even now you can see it's absolutely
I think
perfect the
Rohan
way
Snehal
she's
is trained
lighted.
as well with how to. Yeah.
I
with
think
the
we
lighting.
all
Yeah.
had to go through that phase of learning the lighting adjustment and like clothes and how you're looking and stuff like that. But we have
I guarantee you, all three of us, as we speak, we are probably wearing shorts like घर के कपड़े, perfect on the top.
that's the secret. Like that's the thing. Like you are like professional from the top. नीचे से you're like घर पे. So we have Nupur. She's showing off her sensor and the meow meow.
She's also showing off her books, which she has. She's kept so many books in the
And
background.
her
So
pump. So we have a video and a blog about Meow Meow, another device that people living with diabetes use. Yeah, we have even Rohan uses that. So like, if you want more information on that, do check out our videos and blog. And we also have like a little bit information written over here, so you can read that.
So Nupur, for our viewers,
Yes.
how many books have you read that I can
You know,
see behind
I
in
read
the
this. Rohan,
calendar?
I mean, it's not like I'm avoiding your question. I'm answering your question. But I read this in somewhere on Facebook, okay, last week, and I felt really good about it after reading it, because every time I come on the video, somebody or the other pulls my leg and asks me, "How many books have you read?" And then, well, I don't have an exact answer. But the thing is, it's always better to have more books, because that way you have something to look forward to, and more books to read. So I am going into 2021 thinking, yes, this is going to be my year. I'm going to read a lot more books than last year.
Yes. And probably next time you ask her that question, she will have an answer for that. Okay, moving on to September, we have our little heartthrob here at Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, the cutest baby Arish. He's the most adorable kid. Like I cannot wait to like go and meet him once this Corona situation dies down. But can you just see, like, look at his happiness, like showing off the reader, the sensor, the Libre Pro reader, and I have to like appreciate his
And
mom's effort.
I love the toys
Yes.
that which he has in his room. He has such
Yeah.
a nice collection of
I mean, I
toys.
just want him to freeze till we like go and actually meet him. Please don't throw up, Arish. We want to like pull your cheeks.
Yes, he's super cute, super adorable, and I cannot get over the way he's smiling, like
Yeah.
showing off his devices. That's one reminder for every one of us to be happy. So Arish has been living with type 1 diabetes for I think the last 1.5 years, and he's just 3 years. So it's a tough battle, and I have to appreciate his mom's efforts, his family's efforts to like help him manage diabetes in a much better way. And you cannot deny the support that you get from your family, right? And again, you have your quarterly reminder to check your HB1C. Okay, next for October we have Chavi, who's our Delhi chapter lead, and she has been working with us with Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation for a really long time. Always there, always supportive, and she's showing off the insulin pen over here, like the device that she's using. So she has been diagnosed with type 1 diabetes during her adulthood. So that is something that makes it a little bit different, because her struggles and her conditions were a little bit different than what I think me and Nupur have been through, because we were diagnosed in the childhood. So she's showing off her insulin pen.
And she's showing off her pen, and we are all pen users here. I think. Apart from Nupur, all of us are
I
pen
understood
users.
enjoy.
Yeah,
We
and the
understand.
interesting thing is, it's such a mix, right? Like, I think pens are so common now, but the fun fact is that I have never used an insulin pen. I mean, I see all of you guys, and I know, I mean, I've never used it myself, but I mean, obviously, if I ever use an insulin pen, I know who to ask.
Yes. So next for the month of November, we have the ever so sweet Madhura. She's currently now studying in the States, and she has been with Blue Circle right from the start, and always there, always supportive. And coordinating the shoot with her was like really fun. US timing, Indian timing, and she thanks to her that she got up really early to shoot with us, and she was available for us for the shoot in spite of her busy schedule of studies. So like I haven't met Madhura yet, but the interactions that I have had with her like have been always super fun, and I cannot wait to meet this girl.
Absolutely. I cannot wait for a day when all
And Madhura is showing off
Oh yeah.
And Madhura is showing off her Dexcom, and Dexcom is available in the US, and maybe we can ask her to do a review of it as well.
Absolutely. In fact, Madhura, there's another interesting device that
Yeah,
Rohan reminded by saying Dexcom. Madhura is also using something called the InPen. It's a
right.
smart insulin pen which has a history of when you bolus. So sometimes you take your shot and you forget, but that pen has a memory, and yeah. So that's there in Madhura's hands. And you will also see if you go to the Blue Circle blog, you'll see a lot of blogs by Chavi and Madhura as well. So don't forget, that's another huge resource. A lot of 100+ articles there on all topics that you can think of, and everyone here, Rohan, Snehal, me, these girls, Madhura, Chavi, all of us have written varied blogs, so do check it out.
Yes. So I think we are almost at the end of the calendar for December. It's yours truly, myself.
Yes.
So like I'm flaunting my syringes, very old school, and I use them quite often. So I think syringes have come a really long way. Like the syringes that we used to use earlier, like we had to boil them. Then we had the 12 syringes, 8 and now I think we are there at 6 which is like really tiny.
Yeah.
And
Well, I like your watch also in
thank
this.
you.
Fancy.
Yes, like Nupur already said that I'm like all into dressing up and stuff like that. So I was like making out things that would show off in the calendar picture.
I have to throw this trivia out here. So Snehal owns like 300 lipsticks. I'm not even kidding. Like 300 plus. 300 is just an approximation.
And the count is always increasing. Like there's no stopping to that.
Yeah, there's no stopping. And I think everyone knows her as a lipstick queen. So
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
But like another thing, just like a random fun fact for
Yeah.
the ladies out there, I think nail polishes and lipsticks are something you are not supposed to ever finish it up, right? You just keep on buying.
never get over. I want to tell you this. I did this one experiment once, and I said that come what may, like hell or high water, I am going to finish my lipstick before buying a new one. And that was the only way I could, not end up buying a lot more. But I also look at Snehal's watch, and I'm like, oh my god, that's like a khazana of lipsticks.
Yes, and if you follow me on social media, like I always keep on flaunting a few shades here and there, and then probably you can get an idea of how crazy I am as a person. But then that was all about the calendar.
But thanks so much to Snehal for
Thank you.
coordinating so much and making sure that everything fits into the right place.
It's been a wonderful teamwork. I must say this. It would have never happened considering that there's COVID. We're all in, not all, but we're in different cities. And despite all of that, despite, it's not always a bed of roses. We did like jump on each other's heads and yell at each other and get annoyed with each other. But I guess that's part of life, and that's learning. And I think we've really changed as people, in the last maybe few months or year or two since we've all been working together. It's been so amazing, and I feel so blessed that I know all these amazing people because they've contributed selflessly, to Blue Circle, and I'm really grateful for that.
Definitely, yes.
All right.
The
Now
most
I'm
fun
going to
part,
talk
most
about
fun
my favorite part. The magnets and the stickers. So let me, while I was designing these magnets, let me talk about the Gabbar one first. So we are all lazy to do carb counting. No one wants to do carb counting, I know. And it took me a while took me almost a month when initially to understand कि अच्छा कितने food में कितना है. Then it becomes second nature. You realize अच्छा टमाटर में 6-7 है, रोटी में 15 है. You just sort of know the values, rough estimates, and you can do it much better. But here is a Gabbar Singh to remind you and ask you कितने carbs थे. अरे Osama, कितने carbs थे. So that you are reminded, and you always make sure that you are carb counting and you
So I
got a
have
good
put this
habit.
sticker, like this magnets
Taste
on my
Gabbar.
fridge. So
Yeah.
like every time, and we have this habit, right? if you're feeling hungry, go and open the fridge. So like this is a constant reminder that like before eating, think, do you actually need to eat or you're just bored and eating?
You know, that day raat ko before sleeping, I was like, should I have a small snack like choti si bhook hai? And then I went to the kitchen, I put on the light, and Gabbar was
Then you saw this.
and then I saw Gabbar, and I was like, okay, bye, good night.
कितने खा रहे हैं? And the next one we have here is a unicorn. This is just to celebrate those moments, special moments when you get a unicorn, you feel good. Okay, I'm managing my sugar levels. This is the magical 100 number. And this is just, and I sort of added the moon here to give that magic feeling, right? Little magical. And it always feels special to get a unicorn, right?
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
after so many years, right? You feel good. And
In
And
this
I
is just
think
a
all
reminder.
100 sugars, like all unicorns, I personally believe that you need to photograph it and flaunt it off as much as you can. So like every time I get a unicorn, I put it up on my social media, and I hope that inspires others also to do better.
Especially
Yeah.
our glucometer unicorns. Those are really
And like tag us
special.
in your stories and all when you put it up, so we can like reshare and stuff.
Yes. So this was all about the super fun magnets designed by Rohan.
You know, I know everyone already knows this, but I mean, I've been trying to be like equally like this thing to both the magnets, but I clearly am very biased. I do like the Gabbar magnet a lot. Yeah.
I like the Gabbar. I've taken his look also after this.
Yeah, you look
I
like
sort of like, let me just look
Yes,
like
yes.
the wonderful stickers. And I must say that the quality, like I was actually surprised when these came, especially the calendar, the magnet, and the stickers. The quality is so good and very nice. Because sometimes some things 19-20 हो जाता है इधर उधर printing में, but these are such
And
well
honestly, we
printed
were
stickers
worried
and
when we gave
magnets.
the order for printing these, because we were not able to go there physically to check कि कैसा quality का बन रहा है. We just had to trust the printer. We just had to trust that our designs are going to be as it is. And luckily, everything just worked out and it came out really beautiful.
I think, and if you look, guys, look at both our sheets, Nehal and mine, you'll find that one sticker is missing,
Which is our
which is our
favorite and like,
favorite. You want to show that one? Yeah, it looks like a power button that you want to press.
this is
button.
my
Looks really
favorite.
cool.
Like I am going to buy like 10 sheets of this sticker just for this power on button, because I am using CGM and I absolutely love to flaunt my devices, and this power on like makes it look so cool. Yeah.
very cool. I love the colors are awesome. It's just really cute. And even these here, like bolus, eat, sleep, repeat, isn't this like a mantra in life, right? And I think
That's what we live by.
another sticker that's really a hit. I mean, I'm just trying to get it into the camera. These two, like, dude, these are super hit. I mean, there is no way that you can forget your bolus and base.
And
Yeah.
I'll just get my pens 1 second. You guys can talk
Yeah,
about the
yeah.
remaining just to show these stickers.
Like these
So
are
we have
cute.
these two stickers, completely thought of by and designed by Rohan.
Yeah.
Really amazing creative idea.
Super cute.
So what happens is like a lot of the time your pens get switched off and you are not sure which insulin you have taken. Is it basal? Is it bolus? And we do get a lot of people like worrying, like I took twice the basal or twice the bolus. So we came up with this cute stickers and which you can put up on your insulin pens,
Yeah.
so that you will never ever forget which.
And this has happened with
Everyone
all
has
of us,
gone
I
through
guess.
that.
It has happened
So
with
we
me, with
have
Nehal, with
giraffe,
Nehal.
which
That-
is your long-acting basal insulin, and then we have like this super cute squirrel for your bolus, which is your short-acting. So just put it on the pen. I think Rohan will show you. Yes.
I think I'm gonna put like 5 squirrels on my pump also.
Yes. So I would recommend, like, for people who are using pens, like put this on the body of your pen,
Yeah.
so that you will never, even if the cap is switched up or something like that, you remember which insulin is which, and you will never ever be confused again.
While I was designing, I was thinking like, what can मैं सोच रहा था पहले, should I put a mouse? But I thought people would be like, no, I don't want mouse. Then I think squirrel was the best cute squirrel to put it, and the
And-
tallest animal that you can think of is the.
Yeah, I mean, these are really cute.
So like thank you Rohan for like designing these. Like these came out wonderfully.
Gabbar and the unicorn again. We also have a glucometer, and which is everything is okay. I think just to sum up our talk today, everything is okay, and we are coming up with this calendar and stickers for you guys to feel part of the community as well. And we are all in this together, and we are here to support each other. And this is just a
Yes, for
small token
everyone,
or
for all
appreciation
the
and
people who are living with diabetes,
help
their
that we could
families,
think
their
of.
friends who are like with them through their journey. And we just wanted to know that T1D or diabetes is normal. There's nothing to worry about. And you can take a look at all the people who are featured in the calendar, like take inspiration for them and uh, be inspired seeing the stickers and magnets and do the best that you can. And like I always like to call, like people living with diabetes are like real time warriors. Like it's not an easy fight and you have to fight it every day. So guys, if you haven't placed your orders yet, go ahead. The link is still live. Like Nupur mentioned at the start of the video, last few quantities are remaining with us. So if you haven't placed your orders yet, go ahead, place them.
Magnets and stickers
Yes,
as well. So
absolutely.
And
go ahead
once
and
you get
order
it, do
huge
not
number
forget
of
to click
magnets.
some beautiful pictures, tag us on social media, and we are there on every social media handle out there by Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, and we would love to reshare them, repost it, and share it with the community.
And I feel this is a great gifting option as well. With my family and friends who have supported me through my diabetes and all, I just sent out a few calendars to them as well, and
Yeah.
just a gesture of thank you and
And I think it will give
just
them a
giving them this
little
will make
slice
them also
into
feel.
what goes in our life, you know.
Yeah.
So thank you all for watching and listening to us. Go chat, chat, chat. Uh, and until then, I think we'll all sign off. Snehal, Rohan, and me, Amnupur. So see you guys.